Hi, this is amazing, Ken. Where is the asterisk? Asterisk. You will learn how to get to know where is the asterisk. That is what I mean, right? But in the ancients, asterisk was first used as to mark lines that will duplicate. You can find them out in Wikipedia more. Now, in order to do this, right, in PowerQuery, you need to know Text.PositionOf. Let's head over to PowerQuery. So our ultimate goal is to extract this part into a different column. And by going through all these steps here, so let's look at the first one. So we have Text.PositionOf, hello world, and hello world, and so on, and enter this. Right, we got 7 text spot position of. Right, where first located? Right, it's here. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 seven's the 7 letter, right? And if you were at the occurrence dot last, right, and hit this enter buttons, mm, there are one more R right there. It become 21 because we are not looking at this word, but this word, the last time it appeared in this text. So that's it. Now, if you use it in the table, in this table, we can use that as well. I want to know where is the asterisk, exactly where is the asterisk. We will make use of this as well, right? We'll make use of this. So let's take a look at this, right? And we add a column, and this is how we use, right? Asterisk dot occurs, and okay. So I'm going to remove these steps and this step as well. So let's say you have this loaded into PowerQuery, and you go to Add Column, and you choose Custom Column. And right here, you can enter this text.position, or you can just simply type in text. Oh, one moment. Yep, text dot positions of, and we get it from the columns data, and we want to know where is the asterisk located. Where is the asterisk, right? So click OK, and we have 12 right here, 12. You click on these buttons, and then you can so that is really that, right? So we got this done, and yeah, basically that is how we use this table or ads, and you get this position of, right? You can see that right here, 12. It's add a column, and then it locate where is the 12 located. Now you can apply these, right, again on the ampersand n as well, so that you know the two positions, and then finally you do a extract. You do a calculation that extract the value in between these two symbols, and that is how you use text.positionOf. Now I hope you learned something, right? And if you like this, right, do pass these files to your account, to an account executive, a finance executive, or the accountant that you know, right? Or if you want to help me, you can donate a USD1 USD to me to help me to raise 2 leaders in my family. Right? Just click on this donate will do, right? Or you can join my PowerQuery basic, intermediate, advanced online e-learning, right? We have a very special rate for the first 1,000 students. So thank you very much, right? Now that's what Ron Conway says, right? I believe that we all have a responsibility to give back. No one becomes successful without lots of hard work, support from others, and a little luck. Giving back creates a virtuous cycle that makes everyone more successful. Okay, so you must be wondering, so how do we do that? Here, right? Yes. So go here, right? Come over here, right? I have created one of these and the other this and this one, right? So how do I do that, right? Let's click some this list, this, this. All right. So basically I created this line and this line. So we can see that this is what we learned earlier, right? It has tick from the first step, and then each text dot, and for each of these, we create a list, and then we click on this to expand a new rows, right? And do the same. I want to copy this here. Come back to this step, and after that, I go to add. I basically I want to extract just anything will do, right? Sorry, I just extract one step, right? I just want to make a dummy step, and then over here I'll change it to expanded first character, and here I get it to the last characters at each position the data, but this one I want to look at the end, right? Since I know that it's only one ampersand n, so I do need this, right? And hit enter. So I got 21 right here. So now I'm going to do a calculation. So I'm selecting data tab, and after that go to extract, click on range. I just put a dummy data right here. That will do. And next I'm going to replace this text.meter with this first characters. And right here, going to do the last character, okay, and minus this first character, and then if you got it done right, then you can just hit enter, right? So you can see that the asterisk is still here, so we got to do some adjustment. All right, and here we're gonna do -1. There you are, asterisk, asterisk, right? So we're done. So I hope that you learned something useful today, right? So remember, right, if you really interested to help me, right, not just interested, but you really take some actions, right, as little as $1 or pass this file to uh, an accountant, right, account executive, finance executive, they will thank you for that, right? Oh, join my Power Query basics, intermediate, advanced online executive files. Oh, allied e-learning programs, right? And thank you very much. So I wish you well. Remember, think amazing. Believe you're amazing. You can do amazing things. Thank you.